Want to know how to manage or customize your notifications in Snyk? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how I can do it in just under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Snyk.io website and you should be under this interface by default, and make sure you are logged in as well. So on the left side, you should be seeing this small menu icon. You can just simply hover on it in order to extend that. And on the bottom, you should be seeing your name with the avatar, just simply select that and then select account settings. So once that is done, your account settings should pop up something like this right here. And then you can just simply hit towards notifications right here. And now once you have selected notifications, the notifications should load by default. And now you can just simply enable or disable notifications according to your mail. So you can just simply enable or disable this vulnerability mail and your weekly report on which mail to give, your usage alerts, and much more. So you can import and enable or disable all of these as you want, and you should find changes pretty quick. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.